Here is another way to graph just by using the x and y intercepts. We can graph the equation 3x plus 4y equals 8 without having to solve for y. We can just use the x and y intercepts. So we do that just by substituting in 0 for y, solving for x, and that's going to give us the x-intercept. So we're going to replace y with 0 and solve for x. So x equals 2 2/3. So that tells us x is 2 2/3 when y equals 0. So there's 1 point on our graph. X is 2 2/3 when y is 0. And then we're going to do the opposite to come up with the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, you substitute 0 for x and solve for y. 3x plus 4y equals 8, so we're just going to replace our x with the 0 and solve. So y equals 2. So that tells us when x is 0, y is 2. Let's put that on our graph. When x is 0, y is 2. And then we can just connect those 2 points. And that is our line, 3x plus 4y equals 8. This is in standard form. That's the equation of the line. Here's a prettier picture. Over here, we just tried to see, check a point to see if we were correct in graphing it. So we chose negative 4, 5, because it's clearly on our line. And we plugged it in. Negative 4 for x, 5 for y. We get negative 12 plus 20 equals 8. Yes, it worked. So that tells us we graphed it correctly, showing our x-intercept of 2 2/3 and our y-intercept of 2. Make sure you have all of these notes written down. Then, try this one online. Pause the video and see if you can graph 5x minus 3y equals 120. Check yourself and make sure you have all of this written down. This tells you when x is 24, y is 0. When x is 0, y is negative 40. Our rough sketch of that, x is 24 when y is 0. When x is 0, y is negative 40. We're going to have a line coming through right